ndihleli namaXhosa amaXhosa atangitshena ukuthi awusumXhosa wena because bayeva ukuthi akusisixhosa lesi and then baliphosa phi kumaZulu nanifika kumaZulu nibhobha isibhaca umaZulu angitshela ukuthi hey awusumZulu as I said ukuthi thina amabhaca we still have a long way to go so asikade kahle ukuthi nawu umama wakhona eyakho injani nawu utata wakhona eyakho injani and we can't say umblasele Zelunjele hlawa ushiya mina
phela yona ngoma yasihlanisa unyaka
yabona kungani umaskandi wokuqala ukuhlokonisa unyaka
umaskandi wokuqala uhlanisa unyaka umroza uFantami
umroza uFantami Azweke qhi sangena
phakathi
yithi lapha hey it's been time coming
it's been a long time
hey sathini kodwa sanibonana ekhaya akungcono ekhaya kungcono ekhaya first episode ever nithi le ndaba
kuyathokozisa kakhulu ukuthi seze safika lesikhathi
hayike thingisho ukuthi what is ekhaya about nokuthi futhi sibulise ekhaya lapho sibukele khona siyabonga ukuthi uthatha isikhathi sakho ulana nathi ke we're going to grow together we're going to have fun together and I'm just excited ukubona the channel grow and just us being ourselves and able to talk about things that sometimes abantu abafuna ukukhuluma ngazo so ekhaya is about that sikhuluma ngama conversation lawo akhona ekhaya ayenzeka ekhaya into ezenzakala ekhaya kodwa ezinye zenzakala eminyango ivaliwa
hayi kuba njalo
manje thina siyazithatha ke sizibeka phana ke ukuthi zikhulunyweke manje indaba ukuthi kwenzakalani hayi ke okubingelelayo ke uqamqamyeketela umfoka computer awu exhophe elimade lapho kudabuka khona kumfula ngiphuza umzimba mkhulu awu hlehla mfana yangena imbejula awu uzulu khalimeshe unofisa engafufa ngamalayo umagebe undaba ezithu lokuthi iphutha lekuncane ngokusola dona onato futhi kulonyoko awu madoda isizulu sikamadziba ke lesi ngiyakutshela wena lapho bakhona ngavunya komalume bami ke bangivuma bathi abadide embekezeli ngabadida bonga abadide ebhayi bangivuma ebhayi bathi hayi demand bangivuma evana badawu njaswara bangivuma kwaHlubi bangivuma egoli kwanyama ipheni ngoba ngitombi yafiwa abafana hayi ngiyakutshela umodomodo ke igama limnandi kaliphinda kabili modo humi ke lo angihambi ngedwa hamba ke hey ngibadonsa kude ke laba badonse kude kakhulu ke laba wathi ke ngiqale ngibuliseke intokazi esihamba naye intokazi ngilanda le kude Eastern Cape V
yebo Saniyana I'm sure abantu abaningi abayati nje into kaSaniyana but it's a way that we greet ndilibhaca ke mina ibhaca la ke Monfreya 5090 and when I say like Saniyana ndiyabulisa ngiyabingelela abantu abaningi abayati they get confused yasilwisa kakhulu nje isake
mina lokuthi Saniyana
silwela ukuthi phela now thina as amabhaca that got the exposure on TikTok we are trying to revive the language we are trying to bring all the old ngoni terms of which isibhaca like isibhaca lesesibotshwa abogogo bethu emakhaya and now isibhaca that is spoken every day is diluted like njena uyeva ukuthi kunesimpondo kunesixhosa kunesizulu kakhulu asisekho right
diluted silumless
so nasasake research yethu thina because we are trying to revive the language sathola ukuthi okay ngesibhaca kahle back in the days nabebulisa babethi Saniyana ukuyana is to see like ukubona like uke wameyana usibo like uke wambona usibo so when I say Saniyana sane bona. So
Yes.
that is going to be my signature nje like nesikima sami la ngemuva.
Ayasibona.
Sibhalwe
Sithini?
Saniyana.
What is sibheka? Awu Saniyana.
Saniyana.
Nas. Asithemba ukuthi basibonile.
Igama lami ke uVeliswa Sigudu odume ngelika Sinalo Gametse edase emabhaceni embonzeni eMonfrey e59.
Khuphuka Monfrey.
Yes.
Ayayayaya asibongeke. Wesibonga.
Kunjalo
Ulanda phansi ke ndoda lapha Olundi.
Le Olundi waceza.
Hayi madoda.
Nami ke ngibingelele nje ngamukela abantu emakhaya obingelelayo uSibo Mahlase sizokudabuka le Olundoni Mahlekihlikana. Phansi waceza insizwe engaziwe sithi tshitshele ngulube insizwe sambuka samnyokolo zakashanga ngizayifuna ukumqabula
Uthina
hlehla kwenqama ukubona izintombi ezimhlophe kanti ungazibomvu zaconsa amathe umzulu kamjitha amazinyo amhlophe waqhathwa le emahlabathini kwaceza
hayi bovungani
amahlabathi
hayi bovungani phezulu kwabo Yebo,
lesikhathi nje impela nje ekade sisihlela kuyathokozisa ukuthi njengamanje sikulomzuzu.
Hey kudala phela kahle sihlangane eTikTok.
Yeah.
Sonke sihlangane eTikTok lana siqala ukukhuluma enyangeni elophelile. Ngayo le podcast le kusayinto nje ebesicabanga ukuthi yazini how but siyenze iPodcast ekhuluma ngekhaya futhi ekhuluma ngomaskandi kakhulu futhi sokhulumana ngomaskandi ngoba umaskandi manje sesiyabona ukuthi kusakunabantu abafuna ukuphatha nje kube wabo esayidini umaskandi akathi umaskandi uqala ukuvela namhlanje hayi so umaskandi mningi kwabhaca uyadlala umaskandi
kakhulu
umaskandi futhi ke waqala eZimbabwe kodwa sayikhuluma asiyekeni kancane sayikhuluma masifika la kodwa nje ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ke silana sonke nokuthi ke we actually having a conversation afana nalo esoba nawe and I'm just excited V
I'm very excited as well. And one thing that I like about the podcast here too is that we are going to talk about the hidden stories of many things. So, yabona nje mina into engathi iyabhobhisa engathi ndikhona.
Ngijabulela lokho ukuthi kahle ke futhi sokhuluma ngale ilanguage ibhaca ama language lawo othola ukuthi mhlombe ke they are hidden. They are not given that platform.
That's why I'm here.
Uyayibona le ndaba so nje ngiyajabula and I think it's very much important ukuthi masiqala vele masiqala iPodcast vele sikhulume ngayo le ndaba le yama languages because if you see ukuthi manje into enzakalayo ukuthi we've got these 12 official languages, right?
Yeah.
But when you actually zoom into these languages, these 12 official languages, you find that there are more languages that are hidden under these languages, right? And just to give a clarification, in South Africa, we actually have more than 30 tribal languages. 30 yonke tribal languages, and only 12 are official languages. So what happened is that what they did is that then they took these tribal languages, but okay, if finally language mhlombe isibhaca bathi is they've grouped these languages under these 12 official languages and say no, ifana nalena so sifaka la, ifana nalena sifaka la. But my concern with that is that when we do that, because for an example, let me just give you how or which languages have been grouped. So as an overview, so nesibhaca. Isibhaca sometimes is grouped under Zulu or Xhosa. Right, so ingane yombhaca esikolweni yofunda isiZulu kodwa isibhaca it's a nation of its own. They've got their own identity, they've their own clan, they've got their own rituals and zonke lezo zinto. Isihlubi, for an example, isihlubi is sometimes is categorized under Isxhosa.
Isxhosa.
Right. And nakhona uthola ukuthi isihlubi is way too different.
Yeah.
It's very different.
Right, isilubethu bonginomunye le show le ebengenile lena nabuka le TV nale show le bengenile ka Queen Mujaji bekhuluma isilubethu lapha.
Is it in Limpopo?
Yeah, it's such a fascinating language, and yet it's little unknown because it's grouped under iSpedi.
Yeah.
Right. So zonke lezo zinto but I want us to talk about it actually ukuthi, do you think the grouping really ama languages, is it what consequences does it have in terms of, is it because we want to promote unity, or we are actually slowly erasing the identity of those minority groups?
It actually has like very negative consequences because as amabhaca andithandi ke mina ukubhobha ngabanye abantu because andibati kakhulu for amampondo namahlubi. I'm not going to go deeper ngabo, but thina amabhaca we have an identity crisis. Udibana nebhaca lithi mina ndumZulu, uphinda udibana nebhaca futhi lithi mina ndumXhosa, uphinda like now libhaca nje uyakhetha ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini. Umzekelo kunalo mfana wake emzimkhulu odume ku TikTok ubani uGadebe. Unenye video yakhe awazi
shout out to Gadebe
unenye video awazi wayikhupha because he was tired abantu bembude nayibhobha yabona nanibhobha isibhaca ndihleli namaXhosa. AmaXhosa athi anjena ukuthi awusumXhosa wena because bayeva ukuthi akusisixhosa lesi, and then baliphosa phi kumaZulu. Nanifika kumaZulu nibhobha isibhaca umaZulu anjena uthi hey awusiumZulu
awu yena umZulu wena
ukhuluma that identity crisis. uGadebe wathi wakhathela ku TikTok bembuta ukuthi kazi wena yini, wavele wakhupha ingoma wathi mina ngumZulu ngumXhosa ngibhaca ngikho konke because asitati kahle kahle ukuthi thina simabhaca ithini into yethu, who do we fall under? Because angeke ukuthi amabhaca they fall under amaXhosa just because they are in the Eastern Cape. If wena uthi amabhaca fall under amaXhosa, then lanka ke emzimkhulu wona fall under what?
Uyayibona le ndaba.
Awuwathi nje ukusitshena ukuthi usifuce kaphi kahle kahle.
And the funny part phela ngale ukhuluma ukuthi nami ngumbhaca kodwa isibhaca angisazi. Yabo? Ekubona ukuthi nami ngiyabhobha manje angibhobhi ngoba ngakhulela eGoli isikhathi eside ngafunda zonke. I actually realize khona manje mangikhulu ukuthi no ilanguage yami, because vele abanye abantu bathanda ukuthi wena ukukhuluma isiXhosa uma ukhuluma, nabanye bathi amaXhosa athi hayi wena ngathi ukhuluma yini ukhuluma ekhulumayo. Yeah, so I've always also had that crisis ukuthi I control ukuthi no man, I don't fit in a category kuba umZulu. I don't fit a category of umXhosa. So there's this language, yes. And ukhulu wami ke mayikhuluma ke eBobby isibhaca, hey angathi you just get fascinated by that. Kodwa ke ngifuna ukuzwa kuwe Sibu, wena you are Zulu, ukhulele Olundi. Olundi was once a capital city in South Africa, and you grew up Zulu. Have you ever heard about what there are other languages maybe or other nations actually that are residing in KwaZulu Natal?
Mina ngizalelwe khona KwaZulu Natal. Ulundi nje kwaceza idistrict iZululand. Ngasho nje ukuthi ngikhule vele kulula ukuzazi nokuyithola ukuthi usuka kuphi. Uma sikwaceza nje isizwe saseBisini silapha ngaseFred kwangena etsheni. So izinto okubelula nje kumina mangikhulu ukuthi zisheshe isihlangana
ukuthi nje hayi uyazazi nje ukuthi
yebo. Ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile futhi nalokho ukuthi kube sobala. So akubanga inkinga kumina, but amanye ama languages ngiyawazi futhi ngiinterested kuona. Ngicabanga ukuthi yikho kungibekala ngoba nje ngesikhathi nawe ungithinta usho ukuthi kuzoba nepodcast kanje, I was very interested ngoba kuyangithinta izinto nami engifisa ukuthi ngikhulume ngazo ngoba echaza nje uvi ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Kuyathokozisa ukuzwa indlela yokuthi kuvele njengamanje.
Hayi njalo angikuzwa kahle ke mina phela. I've come to realize, and I think the exciting part about Ekhaya podcast ukuthi sokhuluma ngayo, we're going to have guests that will talk different languages, that will teach us their ways of living. Njengangisho ukuthi South Africa sinamabhaca. Sanibona amabhaca. Sanyana amabhaca. Hey safunda phela. Sanyana amabhaca sinamaphondo, amampondomse
Sinamahlubi,
sinabathembu eBasuthini there are different tribes eBasuthini nakhona hayi ukuthi oBasuthi nayo is being grouped into one unale bafuke unale bakwena unale batswane unale batlokwa barulung amapedi nabo una ma different types of pedi emandebele there are different types of isindebele. So what happened is that let me land quickly this conversation with how come actually it became to be the way it is today. So obviously sisakhuluma sisabuyela kwi history ngifuna ukubhora but ke mawungayazi history uzaba yini kodwa ongazi lapho uphuma khona uzaba yini
kubaleke kakhulu ukuzazi.
So what happened was that ngombuso lo we apartheid what happened there was what we call a Bantu stance or they call them homelands. So lama Bantu stand umbuso wathini bokumele ukuthi they separated abantu abamnyama according to what they are speaking or probably where they are from. So for example there were 10 Bantu stand, right? Kube kune Transkei bokune Siske kuna Phuthatswana kuna KwaZulu kuna KwaNdebele eVenda zo wonke lapho. And then what happened is that on these 10 different Bantu stand what happened is that they created what we call an official language of each Bantu stand. So ama languages afana nesiXhosa they became the first official language in that Bantu stand. Yase Transkei, yase Siske, right? So and then in that what they've done is that Dennis Baca was nowhere to be found and then they call it a dialect. It's just a dialect, it's part of
bayenza kanjalo impela. Kodwa ke uma ngingabuza nje mhlambe kuwena nje since ubeka ukuthi mangakanani amanye ama languages afola under mhlambe le umbrella language abasuke bese beyikhethile kungabe mhlambe umqondo omuhle ukuthi wonke officialize mawucabanga singaba nama official languages amangaki
ngaba maningi
30 or over 30
angaba maningi but ubuza umbuzo right lapho ukuthi is it actually wise ukuthi actually so officialize or but because a language and I want us to learn here first right ukuthi a language we are not just speaking of a language carries a memory right languages carries a ritual yabo languages especially ama languages ase Africa they carry what we call ubuntu
culture namasiko
zonke lezo zinto. So when you lose a language you tend also to lose an identity right because now njengesho uvi ukuthi you start then having a identity crisis ukuthi where do I actually where do I belong right and it builds on that to say that ngoba manje abantwana abancane bamabhaca isibhaca abasasazi ngoba umntwana omncane umfaka esikolweni the official language to government is an official language makuyisizulu uyofunda isizulu mangabe isixhosa uyofunda isixhosa
so mina njengomuntu okhulele kwaZulu ngasho ukuthi kubelula kimi ukuthi ngiqonde yabona indaba yezibongo but ngiyazi ukuthi izinto njengezithakazelo ziphethe umlando omningi so njengomuntu ongazi ukuthi ku-affecta kanjani le ndaba ye identity crisis ungathi wena ku-affecte kanjani mhlambe ukuze ngikwazi nami uku-understanda ngiyibeke ekwi-position
that's a good question.
Mna ke growing up I didn't care actually I didn't care I would say ukuthi I was not imncinci man and then it started to hit me because ubona umntwana ohlakaniphile kuthiwe okay nizofika ku umZulu uthi wena hayi awusumZulu wena let's say you are Xhosa nifike kuwe nawe uthi hey awusimXhosa wena and then nawubuta omnye umuntu ukuthi kanti mina ndiyini utakutshena ukuthi yithi umZulu umXhosa umSwati Uphopa ini ndiphopa isiXhosa isiZulu ndimixa nesiswati and then nabele ndabona ukuthi ayikho lento esiyithenga la ayikho phela into enjalo umZulu umXhosa umSwati you can't be lonto leyo and then when I got like a phone nani I believe ukuthi yabona okhokho bethu back in the days if they had all the resources that we have the connections like ama podcast afana no ekhaya kanjena babete batobhoba ngeba kwaba ngcono but they did not have all those things so now sinama phone yonke into ofuna uyathi go to YouTube go to TikTok
sesinama podcast
so ke ngokumna it affected me a lot because benifuna ukuthatha ukuthi ndiubani walayi ndentani ungantshela ukuthi wena uyilena lena and then I started doing like my research and then when I got to TikTok 2023 nanifika ku TikTok I actually created TikTok for a different type of content but when I got there ndafika kunempinyana isancane impi yakhona belwisa enye intombazana because le ntombazana ibhaca elingakwathi ukubhubha isibhaca elenta icontent yesihlubi so yaliwa uyathukwa and then omunye nje oyi1 wamthuka
ubani igama lakhe
oyena Ngqoleka
yes hi oyena Ngqoleka
wayene content yale content lena yetinto tokweluka nani first of all okay yes bamthuka ngokuthi first of all amabhaca akeluki so wena uzula ibhaca kodwa usitela into tokweluka nathi ngokwaluka nina kwabhaca and then when I got there I just took one comment that actually went viral ndaphendula leya comment and then I was like ibhaca umXhosa umZulu
yeah
I don't know ukuthi ya trenda kanjani or yathini izakhala at that time ndiyakulenza ukuthi in affected kanjani at that time ulibhaca ufake imboza wawungeke uye kwaMayimayi because amaZulu are fighting Xhosa people are fighting like ngendzaba yento beyisuke ngami ku TikTok it was that bad but I was not scared because I am safe but it was that bad ngalendlela yokuthi ngawo lo nyaka lowo we wanted to have an event yamabhaca and then ivenue eyayi right kwathiwa uMayimayi but we were so hesitant about going to uMayimayi because leyanto eqhumako ku TikTok so now libhaca ningasho ukuthi you feel very much isolated
but I hear that right and for me mina njenga ngisho ukuthi ngikhulele kakhulu so I spent my childhood emakhaya right but then I came this side while I was still young also but besengelusa besivele besengazi ukwenza izinto and then when I come this side I then mina ngifunde isisuthu mina bangivuma emhlabeni wakwamsheshwe ke phansi eFixburg lapha bangivuma khona but so mina ngifunde isisuthu esikolweni and I then because ngikhulele eVali I spent most of my time my childhood eVali when you and then obvious English becomes a language where you speak socially and it becomes and is it really important kodwa ke okwazi your tribal language if uyazi ukuthi you cannot be employed ngale language le because manje abantu that get employed young people khuluma the language which you speak socially you engage with everyone and that everyone can understand it's English is it really then important for you and also we know emsebenzini angeke bafune isihlubi kuphela ngeke bafune isibhaca kuphela bazothi can you speak English right so is it important really for us to understand to know our tribal languages njenga mina I'm old ngingaka and isibhaca ngiyasizwa kodwa ke andikwazi ukusibhopha
ngathi kubalekile kakhulu ngoba ayikho ebaleke njengokuzazi ukuthi nje wena ubani usukaphi kuba lula nokuthola ukuthi uyakuphi ngoba nje manje mangibuka amanye ama languages amaningi azogcina se exista kuma museum kuphela ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo futhi nje njengesingisi nje isingisi iyona language ephushwayo ukuthi sicommunicate ngayo so la amanye ama languages agcina beyaceleni kancane izingane lezi ekhulayo zifunda isingisi as the main language so abantu abadala uma beqhubeka bedlula
wena ingane yakho
Sinenkinga.
uzayifundisana ingane yakho uzayifundisana isiZulu nobe English ukuthi ikhule ngaso and be
Ukhona ndodana usekhaya ihlala nje
Oh,
nogogo
okay.
nomkhulu.
Shout out to indodana.
So mayehleli nogogo nomkhulu ngiyathemba ukuthi hayi uzosifunda isiZulu ngoba ukhula ngaso isona esikhulunywa ekhaya kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi mayefika esikoleni ulimi alifundayo isingisi. Futhi kubalekile naso ukuthi asiqonde ngoba ilona limvelo lisetshenziswayo njengamanje ukuthi njengoba ubukhuluma indaba yomsebenzi.
Vi wena
Yes, it's
uyithi
very important to me as well. And ke ngoku kum ezibhaca seyikhamba nayo neanger ukuthi okay mina I grew up very brainwashed like ndandingatata ukuthi ndubani, so it's very important for my kids to know ukuthi okay even if ungafika esikoleni ubhaleni or ufundzisweni kodwa wena kahle kahle utata ukuthi ulibhaca kulendlela yethu futhi yokulwela ububhaca. I met a lot of people. I met omnye ubhuti like usintathu ubhuti wami ke uNgqongqoshe. I'm not sure if you know him. uNgqongqoshe
Shout out to uNgqongqoshe,
utshela kahle ukuthi andifuni ukuchata okanye ukuteka umuntu ongasobhaca. Ndilibhaca
interesting.
ndifuna ukuteka ibhaca because ndifuna abantwana bami babe negadi eli1. Ndifuna
Yeah.
abantwana bami bakhule bathi ilanguage eyi1 bathi ndifuna abantwana bami bakhulele ebubhaceni kahle kahle. Yena mina ndake ndathi ukulahleka kancane, so andifuni mina abantwana bami balahleke. So nami ke as ibhaca seyikhamba nayo neanger yabona like emakhaya la onisuka khona ayike siyabhojwa isibhaca even umntwana ona 2 ona 3 ubhubha isibhaca, and leyo nto leyo it actually heals our inner child because thina sakhula singasibhophi phela isibhaca or sisibhopha but sinokwesaba. Abanye babethe bechayo esikolweni but thina anisoyiyo ke mina le generation yokuthi nanibhophe isibhaca esikoleni kwakumele ukuthi nichayo or nipanishwe because nibhophe isibhaca. Hayi thina sikhule sekungcono.
Kodwa I actually realize ukuthi amabhaca seMonfrey they are very proud with their
Very
baca identity, and it's such an amazing thing to witness. And abakhona nami ngingawabona lapha ku TikTok lapha ukuthi they are very proud, and it's such a nice thing. And ngiyazi ukuthi la ekhaya sazokhuluma ngento eziningi, sazokhuluma na different types of doing things, and sangana kakhulu futhi kwisibhaca singene kakhulu in all those things. But I think masithi nje mhlombe ke sisaphansi the conversation ngoba phela hey kusakuningi like
There's a lot to
masithi
unpack.
there's like it's okay to be unique. It's okay to be you, and you must be proud of your language. You must be proud of who you are. Ukuthi uhlala emasababsini, uhlala eKasi, uhlala emakhaya, it make it your own ukuthi wazi ngemvelaphi yakho, wazi nokuthi mhlombe ke ilanguage yakho ikuphi. Ngoba I think from learning that you'll then learn also of your memories, and when it memories of things that happened in your culture or in your nation before you are here. Right, sazokhuluma ngamakhosi, there are different types of kings as nazo, and you find out ukuthi there are those prominent, there are those ones that are being ignored, and why is that? Nations that are being ignored and stuff like that. So I'm excited over that, and manje sengifuna ukuthi khaxa, but before ngithi khaxa angazi V, do you have something to share with us or
Yes.
Hayibo.
Yes, actually
hayi ke
ngifuna wena kahle kahle. Wesho ukuthi
hayi
uwe umuntu endimfuna kakhulu.
ufuna usiboyi
Like kahle kahle benifuna nozwani. Wena Zwani bendikufuna ibhat.
Lazozwana ukhona bazombona.
Bendikufuna ibhat.
Sasumthola.
Ngasho ukuthi sabazomthola.
Nditakuchola wena. So I actually have something for you guys.
Okay.
Ndavele ndisende egroupini.
Okay, cool.
So-
Zayisanda egroupini, and then ke sayithumela kuwe ke, and then uzayibeka khona. Awuzwe.
It's not too different from what we are talking about actually. Kahle kahle
Okay.
iyafitha lana.
Okay.
So It's a game asidlaleni kancane.
I
Just-
game?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a game.
Hey,
Just
first
asidlaleni-
episode. I hope it's not a game
Asidlaleni
yengqondo
kancane.
phela thina.
I want to test your knowledge.
Okay.
Angisho uyatata ukuthi umZulu.
Yep.
But amaZulu angakwini. So I want to test your knowledge njengoba uchula ukuthi uyatata etinye tribe namanye ama language. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyatata nyani na.
Hayi ngiyabonga
Nawe
ke mina ukuthi
utaphethu.
oh lapho khona ngithi
Hayi,
ngiyabonga ukuthi mina
nawe
ngizathula.
Awuthula. So it's guess imvunulo and their tribe. So because anisiye umuntu ongathi uyakwazi ukuchaza nje nako kuba liyilwanyana. So ndidasenda isithombe.
Uzayisenda apply egroupini
Egroupini
yethu.
yethu.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Isithombe salemvunulo and then nina kumele nigese ukuthi
Okay.
which tribe is it? Ne.
Hayi mina I'm ready. Mina
Yeah.
ngiyawazi ama tribe phela mina ngafika eLimpopo bayangazi.
I have 3. Yeah, because asifuna into enza ndithi
Okay.
etasekhela uqathu.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay, it's coming. There we go. Yes.
Okay. Savele siyenze kanjena ke so siyagesa ke qala sigesa number 1.
Yes, number 1.
Okay, masigese no number 1. Mina asiqale ngosibu sibo angena kuyohlasa.
Okay, okay.
Number 1.
Number 1. Cha uyabona ke la kwayabantu besifazane.
Yes.
Ake ngiqamba manga. Angeke ngikwazi uku-identify ngempela kubantu
Isibhaca lesi.
Number 1.
Akusona isibhaca ngoba amakhala kafani.
Number 1.
No amakhala kafani.
Uhlase uthi akade nje.
Mina isipondo.
Okay.
Isipondo.
Okay.
That's my final answer.
Simbono,
Yebo.
first and final answer.
Yebo.
When I would tell what and this. It's actually isihlubi for amankatinyana. Inkatinyana ke intombazana.
Intombazana.
Really?
So when inkatinyana ngesibhaca intombazana in Xhosa in Zulu.
Really?
Yes. So lena it's for amankatinyana wake mahlubini. Let me show you one for omama bakhona ke na ke ngoku abachadile. I'm going to send it.
But that's okay.
No, isayihlubi nayo, kusayamahlubi nayo, but I just want to show you the difference ukuthi umama wakhona umbona ngani.
Oh, okay.
And then
So amahlubi phela ngivuma amahlubi mina ngeke ngafika lapha estek shout out to stek awumadoda esikisazana hayi nensizwa yami lapha uboy wa
Okay.
omama bakhona ke lana a married woman
Okay.
ebanjena and then
bahle
Bahle,
kodwa
bahle.
isintu sihle
Sihle isintu, imvunulo nje
Okay,
yesintu.
cool.
Yes.
Okay number 2 mina ngiyamazi ngamkhuluma
Ay, sibo. Number 2?
Number 2. Isibhaca yesana ngana. Yakudlala.
Obvious. That I want I ngathi nje niphe iclue.
yabona sesigijimele lapho sesigijimele lapho
Isibhaca lesi itshitshi la kwaBhaca.
Okay.
As I said ukuthi thina amabhaca we still have a long way to go. So asikade kahle ukuthi na umama wakhona eyakhwinjani na
okay.
utata wakhona eyakhwinjani and we can't say umblaselo
and sizoyifunda lana sizoyifunda la ekhaya
angeke sithi umblaselo eyamabhaca or yamampondo umblaselo does not belong to any other tribe
Yeah.
because inzaba
yini umblaselo
umblaselo le pesh len heyibona
Yeah, inama-colours.
unfortunately I
Nathi
don't have a
kwaZulu,
picture
ayi,
but mfana what umblaselo
Asivumi.
awulutho kodwa ke
Yeah. So
sizayithola
wena ke owathi kumblaselo inzaba yomblaselo angeke sithi ibelonga kweyiphi tribe because inzaba yomblaselo isuka emine kahle
Okay.
because oba umkhulu bethu babe sebente emine bengakwazi ukuthi baye emashop most of the time babethatha impahla leti setigugile bapetsha
Interesting.
bagqoke so ke ngoku because lento abayipetshayo yaye yaba yinhle ke ngoku bayidlala yathi yaba yinhle so emine kwakhona wena mtswana wena msuthu wena bhaca wena ntonto so we can't say ukuthi eyabo bani singatsho nje ukuthi igqanyiswe emabhaca namampondo but it does not belong to them so
okay
we are still trying to look for any
interesting ifana nama brain hood you know what I've realized ne brain hood ukuthi mangibheka kunenye video khona manje bengibonile e TikTok yabona bobaba abaselimpopo abajiva bayajiva noma bagida ispade bagqoka uBrain Hood and ama-comment abanye abathi amos uBrain Hood wakwaZulu uBrain Hood wakwaZulu so maybe nakhona sazoyikhuluma bayeza abantu khona big
Ngizokhuluma.
No, let's go to number 3.
Let's go to number 3
And that is actually the last
Okay,
one.
asibambe.
mina ngiyabazi mina sonzanikeza
Ubani wangayitholi answer ayingasawusada ngasawubata abantu wena. Number 3, which
Mina?
tribe is it?
Hey mina ngumZulu ngane yakwethu so
Hayi
kwaZulu
umzumela abata abanye abantu.
uyazi mina
kufanele vela ngithi sizama khona.
uyazi mina ngiyazelapha uyazi mina ngiyazelapha
Yeah, tell
kune show ebengiyibukele khona manje bizwa Pondoland
Uyabona ukuthi nayo
Bebiza Mpondoleni. Shout out to i-TV iyafundisa
out to
i-TV
Mpondoleni.
iyafundisa yeah amampondo ngithi
Amaphondo.
2 bese ngithukile ngithi first episode umuntu yasibo bhala sabasoke sintathu
Hayi khuleka jahe ndawo tatazela.
We need more TV shows like Impondoland because bheka ngoku uncedakele kanjani.
hey
Uyabona uncedakele so we need more.
Angithi yabona
Exactly.
ukuthi amashow amaningi esiwabonayo kwi-TV avele isikhathi esiningi akhuluma isiZulu into enjengalezo khona manje
Exactly.
kade sibukela uShaka Ilembe so izinto
one of the
eziningi
best.
ngozulu zi out there yabona ziyaziwa yeah so
yeah and I like labo amashow afana nabo Pondoland amashow afana nabo Mujaji the Rain Queen ngoba hey Neka nibekele leyo show nizobona ukuthi islubedu lapha islubedu abasikhelubedu sorry if I'm butchering the name but nje the way they speak it's so fascinating it's such an interesting language it's of its own man it's rich on its own and yeah no
so ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi like nisho ukuthi lama show atholakala kuphi mhlambe ukuze abantu bekwazi ukufinyelela kona kalula ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi
Umuntu
into
uyasearch.
ebalekile ukuthi abantu bayazi
ishaka Ilembe se Showmax kodwa Showmax iphelile ngithi
lawa
Impondoland.
Yes.
Is that like
idlala ku DStv
Mna, I actually have
You catch up.
a little problem with Impondoland. I'm sorry if I'm being tribalistic or whatever, but hayi ngeke madosa so wena uyasathi Isipondo like Isipondo wakuhamba nje umuntu oxela Isipondo anyway Isipondo asibhojwa asithethwa siyaxela wakuhamba umuntu oxela Isipondo
adikamva
mna ke sengike ndabeva abantu abaxela Isipondo mna nje futhi
Tell us.
mna ndinengxaki yabona mna ndinengxaki eziningi mna ndinengxaki eziningi yabona phayana you cannot take uThina Jaxa a very proud Xhosa woman uyomefaka kwi-show ebhalwe Mpondoland esebenzisa isibongo senkosi yake eMampondweni and then wena ufaka ama-actor amaXhosa waye I understand
Nabengazi ukuthi kanti umXhosa.
yes I understand ukuthi maybe the acting industry maybe ke it's going to be hard to look for a new talent but man if ngoku wena wekhe ishow usibhaca ntontoni when I watched that show manifika kubhojwe isibhaca ndingayivi ngathi ndiyeva ukuthi wena uyasiphopa lesimpondo but I can hear ukuthi awusompondo ufunzisiwe uthi if wenda ishow enjengaleyana aboMpondoland that TV show carries like a very deep meaning. It tells the hidden stories of the Mpondo people. It is promoting the language of the Mpondo people. So why when uthathe samaXhosa bathi bhubhisa athi namaXhosa ngesimpondo antini ngosiko la keMampondweni. So
that's interesting. Valid. I think it's valid what you're
like
saying.
it.
But again,
Yeah,
isn't it a start? Because there's nothing like that on TV. I think way before Bunga story just khuluma ngempondo. Maybe it's just a start.
It's a start,
And
it's a start.
they can then
siyacela ke nje ukuthi nefaka amampondo amaningi
Yeah.
wake emampondweni athi isimpondo.
ngoba namahlubi akhala kakhulu acomplaina kakhulu lapha nokushaka Ilembe ngithi ayidlalwa
uSjavu.
Uyabona
Kodwa vele lama languages because kunama languages they are grouped under isinguni they are called kune Tekela languages kune Zunda languages. I think the prominent ones that they are using on entertainment is Zunda languages they like the Xhosa that we hear, the Zulu that we hear. La amanye nje ngisho but they are just called a dialect.
Yeah.
So when I think they're still working with that and that that needs to stop, guys. We need to if put an effort to every language that is there, and and just
kodwa kokunye kubalekele masibathola abantu abanje ngoV abakwazi ukuthi bayivoice out lento kuzosiza nama platform kanje ngicabanga azokwenza ukuthi kwazeke ngoba enye into bekunzima before ukwazi amanye ama tribe ngaphandle ukuthi uzwavakashele before nje izinto njenge social media
yeah especially kune language, but we'll talk about it more. Kune language kuthiwa is Put. I think it's Put. Yeah, it's a KZN. Some KZN coastal areas so yeah Lesotho. A language in they're building, I think they're building a dictionary now of it's a Tekela language. And monga yizwa bayikhuluma, it's such a fascinating. It's like ifana naso njenga nje all the Tekela group, so it's part of the Tekela group. But it's such it's in danger of being
extinct
right now. Ndebele, there are two types of Ndebele that I know. Maybe there are even more, but there's this prominent one. I think it's Southern that is more prominent. And I'm going to say it's in Ndebele. I think it's in Ndebele, which is part of Tekela. So the Tekela language group, we need to really work on that and promote that.
Yeah.
Sivale sibu khona okufuna ukusho.
Mina into engathi sithinte nje ngoba sekhaya vele singathi ukubheka nje laphana umculo wethu sokhonzile uMaskandi.
Awumadoda bafethe
sisubheka ama chat ukuthi izinto ihamba kanjani. Okay, so manje
sibhekani ku
singifuna sikhulume ngomculo omusha. Ngingacabanga ukuthi sibheke umculo ohambe phambili kulonyaka esiphuma kuona bengabona ukuthi hayi ngoba isukhona umsebenzi zikhiphele insizwa zikhiphele
umlabalabo bekhiphele manje
ngiyabona
nayo khona manje untofontof
nokuncane kamkhohle
untencane ukhona ukhiphile
bebangaka abantu
nomnotho
ukethi
umnotho ukhiphile iyahamba ingoma ama stop and go
shout out to Mnot.
Yeah.
Ayacula
insizwa laphana eqopha umlando ngonyaka ophelile uNkeshemba. Sebenze kakhulu insizwa. Sikhiphile futhi.
Hey uKeshemba, hey wenza kakhulu. Kodwa ngizwe bekhuluma bethi there are some rumors uleza ngoma leziyana wazitshontsha kwenzakalani
hayi ama rumors ahleze khona mawenza kahle nje ufuna uhleze ukulindela
ayeke nomona
usebenze kakhulu.
Okay, give it to us uthi manje sibhekene is it a top 10 or what is it that we are looking at?
Nje manje ngifuna ukuthi nje sibukele i top 5 yengoma ezi hot njengamanje.
Okay, hot according to you or according to the numbers?
Yes, I'm looking at the numbers.
You're looking at the numbers.
Siyavumela noba sivumelani.
So ngoba ngithi i top 5 ngifuna uqala ngiye laphana kwi top 20 ku YouTube.
Okay.
Trending right now.
Okay.
Bese ke sibheka ke ezingaphezulu ngama numbers overall.
Okay, cool. So YouTube numbers.
Yes, YouTube
trending
numbers.
Maskandi songs. Okay.
So laphana ku number 2 ku trending ungaqagela ukuthi ubani okhona. Kodwa kubona la bese sikhulume ngayo.
Ku number 2.
Number 2
ku YouTube
top 20 trending.
Mina ngithi into encane.
Which song?
Ukhethe mina. Yimi, uyi.
Ngisalindele i-guest.
Bese ngajabula ngithi hayi namhlanje hayi I'm on fire.
Ikhona le ngoma kanti encane that I actually have a little some of a problem.
Also now vumela ukuthi into encane number 2. Okay.
But is it the same song? Ningixola nje ulandzele kakhulu Maskandi ongasiwa kwaBhaca.
Nice, okay.
Ziyawuva nje. Le ngoma lena ethi angazi bazali bami ekanti encane.
Yeah. Ngiyayibona bazali bakhe.
Yeah,
ngiyayibona.
Angiyazi.
Uyayazi ukuthi nje isakudida kancane. So ku number 2 bese sakhuluma ngezi trender njengamanje. Ku number 2 kukhona laphana uNkeshemba. Ihlo sengoma sithi sekuzolunga mama. So kule ngoma zakhe ezintsha ayikhiphile.
Yazi angakamamele kahle le album le. Okay, so kuzalunga mama.
Sekuzolunga mama.
Sekuzolunga mama. That's number 2. Okay.
Bese siya ku number 3.
Okay.
Kukhona insizwa laphana I mention umlabalaba.
Umlabalaba. Umlabalaba so number 2 mosuqeda ukukhipha khona manje.
Angithi sikhuluma ngama trending
Now. Oh, trending now. Hey yadlala umlabalaba. Umlabalaba kodwa mina ialbum yakhe engayithanda kakhulu ilo nalo. Ithini? Ilo nalo ya. Album ngiphinda ngize
ngicula kakhulu umlabalaba lapha.
Ngiyona leso ngiyona la naye.
Hayi yabona lapha.
Okay. So number 3 umlabalaba.
Number 3 umlabalaba. Bese siyadlula lapha ku number 7 emunye uMaskando khona nje kwi top 20.
Uyajumpa lo so ku number 7.
Sengisho ukuthi iku number 7 kuma trending. Yona. But ngokwethu sithi number 3 njengamanje. Yeah, so iOverload umjabulisi nayo sanda ukukhipha.
Overload. Ngiyayibona ke lo ngoma.
Ukhona umjabulisi.
Ukhona futhi umningi.
Ndamgcina kulo wanyaka. Wayekhupha ingoma eyayithina sesithenza kakhulu amawele singakamawele
ngiyayibona amawele
kwakunini
umningi futhi kule album kaMnotho ngibona umningi lapho
khona umsebenzi abawenze ndawonye uyahamba nje futhi nawo
mina ngithanda la satananela
ngiyibona cathi
ngiyakile hawu madoda
yathanda ama love songs
akakhulu phela hiwo phela ama love songs segolo banya mayibheki ngoba Mntombi yafika abafana ba
so kuyithuke yokugcina sinonkeshemba futhi ihloko sayithi emkhathini bese sibuya
so it means this album is already doing quite well i-album kaNkeshemba
kubuke ngathi abantu basalindele umsebenzi omningi kuyena kodwa futhi naye usebenze ngokukhulu kwemisela
kakhulu
bese uthi enye futhi ingoma kaMaskandi ekhona ehleli lapha ku number 15 umlabalaba kuzula ingqondo so ilezo ngoma ke ezitrenders kaMaskandi njengamanje i-top 10 nje engizodlula kuyona fast kule ngoma nje ezisaphumile ehamba phambili ngizoqala lapha ku number 5 kuhlela umyovu
maqala siku5 siyaphansi umyovu
ayinkunzi leyo
olele segoli la ngihleli khona ngiyayivuma
hayi nami ngiyayivuma
ku number 4 kuhlela insizwa lapha uNjabulo Langa uthi uThemba lo
umkhaya umbuka lo kukhuluma ukuthi ikhaya abomkhaya sanibona
hayi siyabonga bese kuthi lapha ku number 3 uhleli yena ke umnotho uhambisana noJikijiki Stop and Go
ila ma Stop and Go okay
bese siya ku number 2
ulo sounda njengo
Smirnoff
ndiyabathi oJikijiki
kodwa ungakhuluma eqhakwakhe
phela
yes so bese kuthi ku number 2 uhleli uSikhanga iValentine ahambisana noShenga wasehlala Nkosi
ingoma lakho
ezothi ngiyayibona kodwa ngiyayibona leyo ngoma leyo actually haven't given it the time but ngiyayibona
imnandi nayo bayithokozela
abantu indaba maningi nabo insizwa ziya
zisemathandweni bese kuthi ku number 1 ingoma ehamba kakhulu nje kulezi insuku into encane ukhethe mina yona ke ingoma ehamba
bebangala
endlabeni ukhethe mina
yazi ke bengithukile yazi angazi ukuthi wenzakalani
mina
Kamzanga phela nizwanga ke mina ukuthi batheni sesayibona screen but nje I think kodwa bakhipha uMaskandi like sometimes you can't even catch up catch up
bayasebenzana ukuthi baningi futhi bayasebenzisana
so but kunabanye kodwa akumele ukuthi bame kancane ngokucula mhlombe umuntu akathathe nje umhlala phansi ayu gibela itaxi mhlawumbe
njengoba
uzawabona
kodwa ke kufanele usenzele umzekelo ngoba
uzawabona sababiza sobe bazohlala nathi manje sibabuza ukuthi
yamgwaja yini lofuna phume
but no I think it's a right try it's a right list hayi mina ngiyayivuma
yabona
lesikole into encane nje right
isuke ixoxwa zinamba ke le nami angibe ngisaphawula
le ngoma yakhe silindele umalandeli kunamba ba
yabona ke njobe esho nje ukuthi bakhiphile ziningi
Eh.
ngathi ngijwayele nokukhipha ama top 10 so ngiyazi umlilo
hayi into zakho vele lapha kwa TikTok lapha ukuthi ubashaya
umlilo ovuka lapha
awuze
so ngakho ngithi ayasiqale kufaka
i-album yami engiyithandayo kanti encane mina engithi yabona la into encane engiphinda kaningi ile angiyazi ibizwana but ile enaleyana ukuthi umathandano njani kwakumathanda kodwa ngiyazi phela ama-album yakhe enale ama-titles akhona nje hey ungavele manje kade uyiphumuze
uyahlupha
I think ingoma yakhe into encane eyamtrendisa kakhulu kwakunengoma yayithi Zelunjele mhla ushiya mina wow
phela yona ngoma ithi unyanga
yabona
kungani umaskandi wokuqala ukuhlokonisa unyaka
umaskandi oqala uhlanisa unyaka umroza uFantami
umroza uFantami but lama album akhe la akudala lawayana mina ngiwathanda kakhulu hayi ukuthi namanje phela namanje nje
usashaya kakhulu
omunye nomunye unento ayithandayo
yeah
but ke hayi ke siyabonga siyabonga ekhaya siyabonga ukuthi nibe nathi and we are excited like to have more of this conversation, to have more of this type of interactions. So nawe ke this ekhaya nawe umkhaya we are welcome to comment. Usitshele ukuthi language yakho yini, usitshele top 10 yakho, usitshele ukuthi maybe use TikTok laphana you drop
ungasigwaji
imvunulo yakho zonke lezo zinto yabona bangasigwajini
utsho lento la kwenhlitweni bodla
ngiyathokoza impela nje lokho
bodla kube mnandi kube njalo we going to have fun njengangisho ngithi we gonna have guests that le ngoba thina we are not experts so we are just sibamba nje phezulu so they're gonna come bakhona abantu abazozalana we're gonna ask them more about the languages, they're gonna tell us more about zonke lezi zinto lezi ukuze sizazi nathi abantu abadala ekhaya elingana abantu abadala kulona ekhaya ne
no kunjalo sizofunda okuningi futhi nabantu ababukela emakhaya nabazofunda okuningi so siyakhuthaza nje ukuthi babe engxenye yethu bakithi ekhaya.
Yeah, from me to you. Advocate wakwabhaca. Yabona ngisho nje ngesibhaca ndisithatha isicamba. Ongasathi isicamba uba yini ke ngokusethi abeseyothi funela yena uba yini isicamba. Uhlale phansi wenabe ngoba bukwini la. Ekhaya yonke into oqhela ukuyenta kwini utoyenta la.
Ngicela iskipper sebhaca nation nama.
Hayi wena ndikuplugile ngeskipa. Wagijima ngoba sokuvuka igadi lake lisuthu yabona ku TikTok so ucule esuthu so ulanze esesuthu
bangivuma phela bangivuma phela mina lapha nevali lapha bangivuma eFree State yonke
yathi ndimplugile wasditch esebona bakubo
no we going to talk about that we going to talk about that kunezinto yabathi ke sasa khuluma
okay
ake sivale siyabonga please don't forget to subscribe ukuze uthole ama episode first time we're going to upload every week. Don't forget to subscribe and you will find our handles right here on the screen TikTok, Instagram, Facebook khuluma nathi sikhulume nawe and just we will be here having fun nawe futhi mhlambe nawe uzabe sokhona e-studio phela sifuna ukuzwa from thina sonke hayi nje abantu esithi mhlombe ke they are prominent but abantu abafana nathi abantu ongawona ama celebrity angawona nje thina phela sivuka siphuza amanzi asivuke sesiphuza iCoca-Cola so nje siyabonga hayike asivale sithi qhi yaphuma ke manje umfana semzimkhulu exobe limathe lapho ngidabuka khona sibonge
hayi asibonge.